Full face makeup tutorial for beginners. First, face primer to prime my face. Next is foundation. Blend that in. Concealer to highlight. Cream bronzer to contour the cheek. And the nose. Blend. Next is cream blush. Blend it in. Next is press powder to set the highlights. Darker shade of that the same press powder to set the contour. Next is powder blush to set the cream blush. Translucent setting powder to bake. And for eyeshadow fallout. Dust the down one off, then leave the under eye for eyeshadow fallouts. Brows. Clean up the brows with concealer. Next is eyes. A reddish brown for the crease, all over the crease. Then the eyelid. Blend the edges. Black eyeliner for the waterline. The eyeshadow I use on the crease for the under eye. Black eyeliner to line the eyes. Mascara. False lash. Dust off the powder and the eyeshadow fallout. Blend everything together. Next is highlighter. Highlight the face, then lips. And this is the finished look. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Bye.